OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Clinical Aesthetic Injectable Therapies. The Level 7 qualifications in Clinical Aesthetic Injectable Therapies are designed to enable learners or practitioners to provide the highest standards of patient and client care during all stages of delivering cosmetic or aesthetic injectable therapies. By achieving these qualifications, learners will acquire the knowledge, skills, and competence to administer treatments safely and appropriately, adhering to the principles of do no harm and promoting public health at all times. The OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Clinical Aesthetic Injectable Therapies qualification is a fully approved education and training qualification accredited by the Joint Council for Cosmetic Practitioners and is listed on the JCCP Register of Approved Qualifications. For entry onto the OTHM Level 7 Clinical Aesthetic Injectable Therapies qualifications, learners must be aged 21 and above and possess a degree or equivalent, for example RQF Level 6 or SCQF Level 10, or able to provide evidence of ability to study at degree level. Additional entry requirements are shown below. Registered healthcare professionals, for example doctors, dentists, nurse prescribers, allied health professionals, independent pharmacist prescribers. In addition to formal identification documentation and previous qualification certificates, learners must produce evidence of registration with an appropriate professional body. Nurses and allied healthcare professionals and those registered with the Health and Care Professions Council who are not independent prescribers are subject to CPSA or JCCP requirements for working under the clinical oversight of an appropriate professional. Applicants who provide evidence of registration on non-UK regulatory bodies. Non-UK regulatory bodies must be nationally recognised to be considered a suitable register. Each application will be evaluated on a case-by-case or individual basis. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, they must provide evidence of English language competency. OTHM qualifications at RQF Level 7 represent practical knowledge, skills, capabilities, and competences that are assessed in academic terms as being equivalent in level to master's degrees, integrated master's degrees, postgraduate diplomas, postgraduate certificate in education and postgraduate certificates. The OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Clinical Aesthetic Injectable Therapies consists of 7 mandatory units for a combined total of 60 credits, 600 hours total qualification time and 185 guided learning hours for the completed qualification. Mandatory units of this qualification are Anatomy, Pathophysiology, and Dermatology for Aesthetic Injectable Therapies. Medical Assessment, Consultation, and Image Recording. Clinical Health, Safety, and Welfare. Aesthetic Injectable Therapies for Facial Treatments. Aesthetic Injectable Therapies for Non-Facial Treatments. Values, Ethics, and Professionalism in Applied Cosmetic Aesthetic Practice. Critical Literature Review. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937, 0092321505, 6755.